Hello, this is Lonnie from Powder Keg Harley-Davidson. Today we're going to talk about your beginning stage 1 kit. The basis of the beginning stage 1 kit is to enhance the performance of your motorcycle, and it gives you a general start for a basic performance build of your motorcycle. So for one, it changes the aesthetics of your bike, and it gets you the basic building process to begin the big motor process that you want to gain.
Hi, this is Jason from Powder Keg Harley-Davidson. We're going to talk about the next level in performance upgrade, your stage 2, which is a build on the stage 1. Stage 1 opens up the air and exhaust. Stage 2, the next level would be a little lower in the cam compartment. So you got two options. You can go with the torque cam, which will give you better throttle response on the lower end, or you can go with the power cam, will give you better RPM range on the higher end for more long distance straight ride.
My name is Dean from Powder Keg Harley-Davidson. We are going to talk today about the Stage 3 kit. We are back here in the money room, the dyno to get the most performance out of your motorcycle. With the Stage 3 kits that Harley offer now, they offer a 128, and one of the kits that we've installed here at the dealership, we ended up with 132 horsepower and 131 foot-pounds of torque. So to optimize your performance with the Stage 3 kit, we bring it back in the dyno room and we make it go. All right, this is Dean again back here at Powder Keg. We are again in the dyno room. We're going to talk about our Stage 4 kit that Harley sells with float heads, big pistons, and cams. We just installed a 131 on a customer's bike in 2020 with factory exhaust, everything. We ended up with 133 horsepower and 142 foot-pounds of torque. Now, if we run that and we run a freer flow exhaust system, we can get bigger numbers out of that. So come see us down at Powder Keg Harley-Davidson.